Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss about the valence electron. This is under the atom and then the periodic table. So objectives: identify the number of valence electrons in a given atom using the periodic table and electron configuration. Demonstrate teamwork and respect when collaborating in group activities related to electron arrangement, and construct accurate Lewis dot structure for given elements using the provided materials. Imagine you are hosting a party, assuming that is inside the atom, and your guests are the electrons. The inner guests are sitting in the kitchen or the inner shells, while the guests near the door or the outer shell can easily leave or invite new friends in. These door guests are your valence electron. Yung malapit sa pinto, yung tinatawag na valence electron. They decide whether your party will join with another party or band or stay alone or the inner. Valence electrons are the electrons found in the outermost energy level or the valence shell. Yung pinakalabas na shell, pinakalabas na outermost level or main energy level, ang tawag doon valence shell. At yung mga electrons na nandun, ang tawag doon are valence electrons. They are important because they are the ones involved in chemical bonding. They determine how an element will react with others, or it has something to do with the chemical property of the element. Okay, inner electrons are called core electrons and generally do not participate in bonding. Valence electrons control the atom's chemical properties. Atoms tend to bond with others to get a full outer shell, or usually the 8 electrons. This is called the octet rule. In order for an atom to become stable, dapat 8 ang kanyang valence electron. Maliban po dun sa, para ma-achieve po yun, pwedeng magbibigay siya or losing of electron or gaining electron. Yun ang paraan para makumpleto yung 8 na valence electron para maging stable siya or unreactive. For example, sodium has 1 valence electron. It easily loses 8, becomes positively charged. So nawala siya ng isang electron, magiging siyang positive ion. Chlorine has 7 valence electron. It easily gains 1, so becomes negatively charged to complete the 8 valence electron. So mas madali sa kanyang mag-gain kumpara i-give up niya yung 7. Unlike dun sa sodium kanina na example, so kaysa magkuha siya ng 7, mas madali sa kanyang i-give up yung isa para maging stable siya. And then, yung chlorine, kung magko-combine sila, yung chlorine naman ang mag-gain ng isang electron to complete the 8 valence electron. So using the periodic table for main group elements, groups 1, 2, 13 to 18, the group number tells you the number of valence electron. So yung group number, yun na pala ang nag-identify ng number of valence electron. For example, group 1, isa ang kanyang valence electron. Mula doon sa hydrogen pababa, lahat yun mga valence electron is 1. Yung outermost shell nila may isa lang na electron. So group 2, 2 valence electrons. Group 13, that is 3 valence electron. Kasi papasok naman yan doon sa group 3A. Pero sa majority, sa kabuuan, group 13 siya. Kasi hanggang 18 po ang ating groupings. So up to group 18. So yung nasa group 18, yung tinatawag natin na noble gases, valence electron it has 8 valence electron. So tinawag sila na noble gases kasi nga sila ay stable na. Maliban lang po sa helium, kasi ang helium, ang maximum capacity niya lang is 2 electron. Pero considered na yung helium as stable. So using electron configuration, look at the highest energy level number in the configuration and count how many electrons are there. For example, oxygen, ang kanyang electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So, kung titignan natin ilan ang kanyang valence electron, that is 6. 6 po ang kanyang valence electron. Bakit? Kasi dito sa 2s and 2p, magkasama sila sa isang main energy level. Itong 2. It's pertaining to the main energy level or to the shell. So, yung 2s niya may 2 and then 2p, 4 ang kanyang, pag pinagsama mo yung dalawang nasa second main energy level, so, siya ng coefficient na 2, 6 ang kanyang valence electron. Ang highest shell niya is 2. Okay, another example, hydrogen, atomic number is 1, electron configuration is 1s1, valence electron is 1, and then oxygen, atomic number is 8, ang electronic configuration niya is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, And then the valence electron ay 6. Pag sinabi kasi nating valence electron, yung electron na nasa outermost shell, ay ang shell nitong oxygen hanggang 2 lang. Kung babalikan naman natin kasi yung period, nasa period 2 ang oxygen, meaning 2 ang kanyang shell or ang kanyang main energy level. Another one, sodium, number 11, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So, ang outermost shell niya is number 3. So, yung sa 3 niya, 1 lang ang valence electron. Ang chlorine naman, tingnan nyo yung chlorine. So, number 17 siya, ang electron configuration in 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So, bakit 7 ang kanyang valence electron? Kasi ang pinaka-outermost shell niya is 3. So, third main energy level hanggang doon. So, 7, kasi itong sa 3s2, 2, 3p5, 5. So, 5 plus 2, that is 7 valence electron. Sa neon, tingnan yung neon, number 10. Ang kanyang electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Yung sa second main energy level niya na 2 hanggang 2 lang pinakamataas niyang main energy level or shell. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. So neon is one of the noble gases. Isa siya, kasama siya dun sa tinatawag na inert gases or stable.